Yeah, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how to play a very nice song which is titled That the Wey Dey Pamper. Okay, that is a very common song that people like to sing very well. So, but this one will be beginner based. Okay, so it will be very simple. There is no serious notation. No, we won't do that. So just a simple one. Okay, let me just do a very quick demo. So as you can hear, it is a very simple one. Very simple. Okay. Now let's break it down so that we understand everything I play inside. Okay. So let's look at the first one. You see. So that is do ti la sol la ti la sol mi sol mi re do re mi re. So let me go one more time again, okay? Okay, so that's just how to play the tonics over notation. It's very simple, okay? Very simple to do, okay? So now let's look at how to follow it in terms of progression. So I will follow it now. Let's see. So I've recorded it here already, so let me now play. You play F, then C, G. We are going to A now. That's it. A, then we are going to F again. God bless you. We are going to C now. So that is just it. Very simple. Let me go one more time for your sake. If at any point you don't understand, rewatch it as many times as possible. It's very simple. That is why I'm taking my time to break everything down for you. Okay? So let me play it one more time. You're going to F. Okay? You can see the way I'm playing it. G. We are going to A now. As you can see it, if at any point you have issue with the way you play chord, just check this video in this my playlist for beginners. Just check the playlist. You see a keyboard a tutorial where I've talked about how to play your chord. So you can start with it. I start with stage 1, stage 2 and go. So just follow it, you really understand it very well. So do it to like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Okay?